everybody, I'm Stuart Deming with XPLR.NASH. Please follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may be wondering who we are. Basically, we're people that love the city of Nashville, and we want you to get out of your comfort zones and go explore this wonderful city. And so how are we going to do that? We're going to provide content through photography, through video, and through blogs, all based on the city of Nashville. The historical context in the city of Nashville, cultural things, controversial things like the transit, and then also food, drinks, wine, coffee, plantations, things to do. So we have a lot of content to cover in the city of Nashville. So please follow along with us on this journey. This first video that we're doing is going to be a brief history in 2 minutes on the city of Nashville. Let's go. About 3/4 of a mile from downtown Nashville, there's a cave that a man named Timothy de Montbriand lived in. He was a French fur trader that lived among the Native Americans here around 1766. The city of Nashville was founded in 1779 by two explorers, John Donaldson and James Robertson. This is Fort Nashboro. This is the original place where the city of Nashville was founded, named after a general in the Revolutionary War named Francis Nash. And now I'm standing in front of the hermitage, Andrew Jackson's home. He was the 7th president of the United States. Tennessee has had 3 presidents: Andrew Jackson, Andrew Johnson, and J.K. Polk. Standing on 2nd Avenue, originally this was called Market Street. The nickname for this area in downtown is called the District. The reason for that is to my right, this used to be the warehouse district for the downtown area. And here we're standing at Fort Negley, built by the Union Army during the Civil War in 1862. Now it's a metro park here in the city of Nashville. Standing in Centennial Park, originally a horse racing track for Belle Meade Plantation. Construction started in the late 1800s, finished in 1897, and was supposed to be done in 1896 to celebrate the Centennial Exposition of the state of Tennessee. Standing in front of Marathon Village, built in 1888, originally a cotton gin. From 1907 to 1914, they used this to build the Marathon motor car. Built 10,000 of them. There's only 8 remaining in the world. Now it's a bunch of boutique stores. Standing on one of the longest pedestrian bridges in the world, spans over a half a mile long, built in 1909, was one of the original truss bridges with concrete architecture in the United States. I'm gonna mess up this name, so please forgive me, but the name of this bridge is the John Stiemenheimer Bridge. And here we're standing at the Ryman Auditorium, built in 1892, originally the home of the Union Gospel Tabernacle, and now it's considered one of the best music venues in the world. And to my left is Bridgestone Arena, home of the Nashville Predators. Bridgestone Arena opened in 1996. Go Preds! And here's the Grand Ole Opry, opened in 1925, one of the longest radio shows in the world. Standing at Bicentennial Mall, this park was built to celebrate the 200th anniversary of the state of Tennessee. We became the 16th state in 1796, and we celebrate our 200th anniversary in 1996. Right here is the Tennessee State Capitol, built in 1859, one of the oldest functioning Capitol buildings in the United States. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the brief history of Nashville in 2 minutes. It may be a little bit more than 2 minutes, but it's still fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please share that if you love the city of Nashville. Like the video, that'd be great. Thumbs up that. Subscribe to our channel, and then also follow us on Instagram, XPLR.NASH. I've been exploring all day, and I'm pretty tired, so I don't know where I am. Comment below if you know where I am.